Entering the Chinatown. Let's see what's up on this side. But one thing for sure, I can't wait to try is the food. The food, I want to try that so bad. The duck, probably. The fried rice, or else maybe shrimps, and I don't know if they eat shrimps, but I'll try. Let's see. So this is the street. Most of the shops here are written in Chinese. They look good. Let's see. Have these toys for kids. Let's see. There's another restaurant there, Chinese restaurant and a shop. So there is this Yee's restaurant, guys. They have the duck meat. Wow! I can't wait to try this, guys. I can't wait to try all this. Last time I ate a duck, it was, I don't even remember, I was very young. Kenya, definitely where I come from. Yeah, they eat ducks. So there's another side. Oh my god, so many restaurants and shops. And yeah. So they are here in the street also selling fruits. The watermelon, apples, bananas, a lot of stuff, a lot of fruits, guys. Some of the fruits I don't know their names. They have kiwi fruits on that side, and they have these fruits. Let me show you. They have all this type of fruits, avocados. This looks like like oranges, small oranges, but they're not oranges. Let's see.
In there.
This is the fish market. They have the salmon. I can see the salmon. This is the catfish, or what is this? And some are alive, like you can see from there. So they have this Express of China restaurant, and their name has gone off. I don't know what's up. Yeah, but the place looks beautiful. This street looks so beautiful. They have decorated it with these things. See this beautiful building, guys. The drawing, the paintings, and they look nice. So I'm trying to follow these patterns to see where they'll take me to. The other thing attracted me is this painting. That's Bruce Lee, guys. Yeah, that's Bruce Lee. Wow, that's nice. I like the graffiti and the Buddha. More shop. This is a toy shop. There are people there playing the Chinese music. This streets look amazing. It looks just amazing. It's just a quiet street with nothing happening except me going down. I don't think I'll get in trouble for this. Yeah, so guys, let's go back. But it looks cool. It looks so cool. So they have these beautiful things here. But guys, allow me not to record inside. I respect the privacy because they don't allow that. See? This one doesn't say like there is no recording, guys, so I may just record. They have a lot of great stuffs, beautiful stuffs here. This is another store. We have the ducks. We have the duck meat, guys. People vending on the streets. So let's see, noodles, rice, all types of seaweeds, food here. Oh, that's good. I like the artwork of that building. Represent the culture of this side of the town, guys. Yeah, so guys, most of the people here are not camera friendly because I can't film inside the shops. They don't allow filming. Even some of the shops I saw they are written no filming, so I just walk you in the streets, not inside the shops. This place is big, guys. I like this tuk-tuk kind of car. So this is the Stockton road. Then there is this guy's tangerine pilty shop. I wanna head inside and say, guys. Yeah. What you are talking about this?
Oh.
They have cool stuff, guys. They have very beautiful cool stuff, and they have something to do with the dragons. I don't know. I don't want to say something that I don't know, but Chinese and dragons, they have something in common. It's a cool shop. They have almost everything that you will need from a Chinese shop.
And the lantern. Okay.
More bananas, more pumpkin, and this, I don't know what's the name of this fruit, but we have this one in Kenya. I've seen some, they have nuts, papaya, yeah, corn. They have all this stuff, sweet potatoes also. Yeah, this is fun. Doesn't look like part of the United States. I've never seen this in anywhere in the United States. So yeah, I like this marketplace. Let's go inside and get something small like water or juice. Yeah, let's promote them. They have a lot of beans also, candies. Yeah, they have a lot of stuffs here, guys. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you for enjoying and watching this video, guys. So I'll be heading back to the hotel room. Yeah, so probably there might be a part 3 of this. Tomorrow I have to go somewhere and make a video for you. So thanks for support. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys.